Let's make some lasagna soup. First, we're going to add some ground beef, 80% lean, 20% fat. Then you're going to add your seasoning, Italian and pepper. Add some tomatoes and diced onions. Then you're going to add some beef stock. I added the whole thing. Then you're going to add some crushed garlic. I made some marinara. You're going to add about 3 cups. You can also add tomato sauce. Add your lasagna pasta. Let the pasta cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Add some basil and some parsley. Make sure you're stirring it occasionally so it doesn't stick. Add your ricotta separately and your cheese. I used whole wheat and some Parmesan. Give that a good stir. Make sure it's well combined and looks like this. And that's it. Super quick, super easy, super delicious, super filling. Add some cheese on top. Gotta have some garnish. Add some basil. You're gonna add your ricotta mixture on top of that. And that's it. It took about 20 to 30 minutes. My family loved it. Look at that cheese.